Radyo, ibandera mo! Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
107.1 News FM, Radyo Bandera, Olongapo City. You heard it right, Bandera Night Jam. Time once again for Bandera Night Jams. Yay! All right. Hey, welcome. Tuesday edition of this radio show, February 24, 2026. Kamusta yung mga tropa ko? How you guys doing? Ayos ba tayo dyan? If you're doing fine, good. So am I. Medyo inaantok na ng konti, pagod na. Alam nyo kasi guys, before I do Radyo Bandera, nakapag 8 hours of work na ako lagi. No? I have my 8 to 5 office job, but still I do this because this is passion for me. All right? This is what I love doing the most. You know, entertaining people via radio broadcast. And yours truly has been on the radio industry for more than 19 years now. Wow, 19 years. Tagal na, no? Grabe. Oo. Broadcast, events, hosting of events. I even turned into a wedding singer and stand-up comedian lately. Tinuhog lahat, basta lang kumita. Hindi, apart from, it kumita, I'm really enjoying all those things, no? All those things that I mentioned because the talent was given to you. So the best way to say thank you for the talent is to use it, push it to the limits, right? Di ba? Tama naman Mali yung napindot ko. Ito dapat Clapping. Ayan. Okay. And syempre mga tropa as usual. Bago tayo magsimula ng chikahan muna ng konti. Bago tayo mag-umpisa ng today's holidays and observances February 24, konting kwentuhan muna. Natawa ako dun sa sa news kanina, no. I'm not saying I'm pro PPRD, former FP BCDE FG HIJ. Former President Duterte, no. I'm not saying I'm pro or I'm anti. I'm not pro or anti to any politics. Okay? Wala akong kinikilingang politicians. Dahil gaya nga ng sinasabi namin ni Ka Fernan Julian Makabayan sa tuwing VACC hour every Saturday, my loyalty is to my country. Yeah, to the Constitution. Okay? Kaya ayoko na hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bangko. Kaya that's one of the many reasons I joined VACC, Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, because I hate it when I see people being taken advantage of, yung nakakaranas ng injustice. I myself is a victim of injustice, no? Ako rin. Kahit sino pa yan, hindi tama na nabibigyan tayo nagagawan tayo ng injustice. Tapos those who were doing it, nakaka-get away easily lang. Merong ikot yan. Iikot yan. Yeah, okay? So, naniniwala ako doon. So, kanina naman, natawa lang ako dahil yung sa International Criminal Court sa The Hague sa Netherlands, shinow nila yung yung video ng na minumura ni na minumura ni Duterte yung ICC. Panood niyo sa news. Hindi ko naman siya ina-upload. Natawa lang, reaction ko lang is natawa lang ako, di ba? Kasi nire-report doon sa parang nire-report, hindi naman report kasi hearing yun, no? Doon sa korte, sabi nga nila, bago nga daw siya hulihin, ilang beses daw pinagmumura niya yung ICC. Parang alam mo yung parang batang nagtatapo, minura ako, tingnan niyo yung live video. Tapos doon nga sa live video, he was speaking in front of many OFWs. Mga OFW yun. Hindi ko na alam kung saan. Hong Kong ba yun? Or somewhere in the Middle East. So, sabi niya, itong P na ICC na to, abay, palakpakan yung tao, sigawan. Parang naisip kaya nung ICC na parang mali yata na pinakita natin yan. Lalo tayo naging katawa-tawa. Again, wala akong kinakampihan Wala akong sinasabing kampi ako kay Duterte, kampi ako sa ICC, or baka Marcos. Again, my loyalty is to my country. Ayan, okay? Natawa lang ako. Reaction ko lang nakakatawa lang, di ba? Kasi pinakita sa habang ongoing hearing, parang parang in layman's term ganito. Tingnan niyo yung video, pinagbumura tayo niyan, pinagbumura nga. Tapos in the video, ang daming nagtawanan na tao, natuwa na tao na minura niya yung ICC. Parang yun lang. Siguro kung ako yung ICC, sabi ko, ba't ba sinupa natin yung video na yan? Hindi yata dapat no? Siya. Okay. On with today's holidays and observances and what's going on for February 24. Wow, 24 na. Bukas no? EDSA Revolution Day. Pang-ilan na ba yung EDSA Revolution Day? Wala hindi dineclare na no? Officially, Malacanang hindi dineclare na. Kasi it's a working holiday ito. Ngayon, kung i-declare ng presidente na non-working holiday, di walang pasok. All government offices, schools especially, public and private. Pero yung mga LGU, may mga LGU tsaka may mga schools na nag-declare. Except yung DepEd schools. Yung DepEd schools, kasi public school yan eh. Di ba? Yung mga public schools, kailangan sumunod sa direktiba ng Malacanang. Okay? Pero yung mga private, lalo na yung mga Catholic school, halos lahat ng Catholic school nag-declare eh. Walang pasok eh. Kasi kinikilala nila yung EDSA. O, kinikilala nila yung EDSA. O parang, baka sabihin mo, may ibig sabihin na naman ako na. Nalata nyo rin ba? Hindi dineclare, no? Yung EDSA Revolution na yun. Alam niyo bang nung EDSA Revolution, ang kasama sa mga nanguna dyan, mga pari at madre, no? Hinaarang yung mga tangke, no? It's part of our history. Na hindi mo na mabubura yun. O, parte na ng history natin yan eh. Okay? Whether you like it or not, bad things that happened para sa side mo, pero kung good thing naman ang nangyari sa karamihan, again, I'm not saying I'm pro or anti or anything here, ah. I'm saying things that are, di ba? I'm saying it is what it is, di ba? Like, I'm telling it like it is, di ba? Hindi like, it is talaga, di ba? Okay? No BS. Di ba? The best, it's always the best thing, no matter how it hurts, masakit man, basta totoo, sabihin mo, ganun yun, oh, di ba? Oh, gaya nung nung sinabi kong nagnanakaw dun sa nasaktan eh, totoo eh. Oh, gumawa ng paraan para alisin ako, di ba? Ganoon, ganun talaga. Pag totoo talaga masakit, masasaktan ka. Tapos nung sinabi ko rin na yung leader gusto yung alam mo yung pinupuri-puri, binobola-bola, kinikilikiliti yung kilikili. Kahit na naghang pare. May ganung leader eh, no? Na kailangan purihin mo siya ng purihin. Pag hindi, talsik ka. Meron ganun, totoo. That's true. Ask me about it. Based on personal experience. Okay. Sabi ni Ate Tess Hernandez, ano to? Konbanwa. Ano yan, Japanese ba yan o Ilocano? Japanese, no? Kasi nasa Japan siya, no? In Fukuyama, Japan. Excuse me. Nahuhuli pa rin akong umuubo on air from time to time, no? Masakit, bakati pa rin yung lalamunan ko. Kayo rin ba? Nangangati pa rin ba yung mga lalamunan nyo? Ako rin eh. I don't know. Well, it comes with the weather. Pero yung iba, gumaling na ako parang hindi pa yata. Kung makati pa rin, no? Balik na tayo sa today's holidays and observances. Again, konbanwa, Ate Tess Hernandez, and konnichiwa. Alright? Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo, Massachusetts. Hindi, Boston, Massachusetts, no? Ohio, nasa yun eh. Akron, Ohio, yeah. Diba? Sige na. Moving on. Today is also in Mexico. Today is their Flag Day. Flag Day sa Mexico. You know what's happening in Mexico? Grabe, no? It's like civil war is going on there. Explosions everywhere. May mga nasusunog na establishments, sinusunog. Nagwala yung cartel members eh, no? Doon sa pagkakamatay ng kanilang cartel leader. Di ba? Grabe. Kaguluhan sa Mexico ngayon. Okay, so yeah. And nagkataon pa, Flag Day today in Mexico, no? All right, and February 24 is also Digital Learning Day. All those stuff that you learn via the internet, online, or electronic, that's digital, okay? Forget-me-not day, dance day. What's your favorite dance? Ako siguro yung mga alam mo na, yung my favorite kind of dance, yung mga rap, hip-hop kind of dance. Kasi yung dance na hindi boring sa totoo lang. I don't know, it's just me. Para sa akin, pagka ang sayaw is rap, hip-hop, yung mga ganon, mga sayawan na parang galawang maneuvers, the maneuvers, yeah, the street boys, the sneakers dancers. The sneakers. Kilala niyo yung the sneakers dancers? Yan, parang sila yung the maneuvers ng Olongapo City, no? Member niyan sila Kuya Cecil, sila Kuya Rigor, sila Kuya, sino pa ba? Sila Kuya Cecil. Yan. Cecil Carlis Roach. Marami pa eh. Yeah, baka hindi ko mabanggit lahat. Sila Kuya Burns, ayan, okay? So, yeah. Mga ganyang dance. National Tortilla Chip Day. Tortilla pala, hindi tortilla. Tortilla. World Bartender Day. Any bartenders out there listening right now? Cheers for you. It's your day. Okay, so there you have it. Some of the holiday observances. And for all of you, February 24 birthday celebrants, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like, celebrating their birthdays today. Brought to you by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo Birthday Package Promo. Package A, dalawang big family-size pizzas, dalawang family servings of chicken wings, dalawang family servings of pasta platter, and dalawang 1-liter lychee lemonade. Sarap siguro yung lychee lemonade na yun, ano? Okay, free Angel's Pizza card and free family-size pepperoni for only $2,499. Okay? Para naman sa package B, kung medyo mas siguro yung sa package A, pang ano yan eh. Ilan ba? Pang mga 8 persons siguro, 10, 8 kasya dyan. You know? Ito, kung halimbawa mga 5-6 lang, di ba? Package B naman, di ba? 2 family-size pizzas, dalawang family-size chicken wings, family serving, 1 pasta platter, 1-liter lychee lemonade, dalawa rin, okay? And also the Angel's Pizza card. Both comes with the Angel Pizza card or APC as we call it, plus free medium-sized pepperoni for only $1,999. Call or text them up 0967-164-6450, 0967-164-4646, and they are located at number 395 Rizal Avenue West, Tapinac, Olongapo City, in front of 4th Street. Okay, yung pinakabungad ng 4th Street, no? Visit their Facebook page to see their menu, okay? Open up until 12 midnight, 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Pag weekend hanggang 1 a.m. More time for you to order. All right, here are the famous people celebrating the birthdays today. Happy birthday to Filipino musician, singer Isel Santos. Okay, she's a regular on the GMA network, noontime shows. Huh? Nancy Castiglione, recording artist and actress. Si Nancy. All right, she has a couple of beautiful songs, you know. Mga ano eh, house music eh, yung mga songs niya, no. Also, happy birthday to one of my favorites, Edwin San Juan. He's a Filipino-American comedian, stand-up comedian. Diba? The first time I saw him doing stand-up comedy, I got hooked. One of my favorites. You guys can see his works on YouTube to find out what I'm talking about. Just look it up. Edwin San Juan. Okay, Feb 24, 1969. Happy birthday, Idol. Idol. Next up, we have happy birthday also to... Let me check this one. Okay, ayan. George Thorogood turned 76 today. Ayan. He's a blues rock singer. Are you familiar with the song Bad to the Bone? Bad to the Bone. Kinanta, no? Yeah. That's him. Yeah. It's such a big hit, right? Up to now, ano yan? It's still, that song is still a kick-ass song, if you ask me, no? And Billy Zane. You guys remember Billy Zane? He is the Phantom. He's also the Contrabida in the movie Titanic. The guy looking for the heart of the ocean treasure of a necklace. TV actress Jenny O'Hara turns how many today? 84. Wow. Billy Zane, by the way, turns 60 today. Good-looking 60-year-old. Oshie Jackson Jr. turns 35, movie actor. Next up, we have happy birthday also to TV actress Brittany Raymond turns 31 today, and Floyd Mayweather Jr. turns 49. Boxer Floyd Mayweather, 49 na pala, itech. Okay? And birth anniversary for Steve Jobs, because, you know, everybody knows he passed away back in 2011. He was born February 24, 1955. Steve Jobs. Okay, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. Feb 24, birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
All right, your turn. You tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up. 0910-6909-501. All right, or call or text me up if you want to. Pwede ring mag-comment live on the live video. All right, it's on right now. It's up right now, the live video. Okay, so check it out sa Radyo Bandera page. And Olongapo related pages, of course. I passed it on there. All right. Okay, so we will play a couple of songs coming from the birthday celebrants. But for the